Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A hailstorm just hit your 80 megawatt portfolio. You've got visible panel damage across 3 sites. Do you have time-stamped thermal images from before the storm proving pre-existing conditions? If not, you just lost 40 to 60% of your insurance recovery. Let me show you what claim ready actually means. Most portfolio managers think about insurance documentation after damage occurs. That's too late. Here's what happens. Storm hits, you file a claim, insurer sends an adjuster, they find defects. Now the fight begins. Were these defects caused by the insured event or were they pre-existing? Without time-stamped evidence proving asset condition before the event, insurers default to assuming pre-existing damage. Your 800,000 euros claim gets cut to 300,000 euros because you can't prove causation. This happens on 60% of solar insurance claims according to industry data. The portfolios that recover full value are the ones that maintained continuous condition documentation before anything went wrong. A claim-ready portfolio has 5 evidence layers maintained continuously. Layer 1, baseline thermal and visual imagery of every module captured quarterly minimum. This establishes normal operating condition. Layer 2, time-stamped defect inventory with severity classification and GPS coordinates. You need to know exactly what defects existed before the event, where they were, and what caused them. Layer 3, performance data correlated to defects. Can you prove that pre-existing hotspot was only causing 2% string loss, but post-storm damage is causing 40% loss? That's your evidence. Layer 4, maintenance and remediation records showing you were managing known issues appropriately. Layer 5, weather event logs correlated to damage assessment timelines. You need to show you inspected within days of the event, not weeks. This is exactly what our agentic platform was designed for. The inspection scheduling agent automatically coordinates drone flights quarterly across your portfolio. This captures thermal and RGB imagery of every array. The defect detection agent classifies every anomaly. Hotspots, microcracks, delamination, junction box corrosion, all logged with GPS coordinates, timestamps, and severity scores. The documentation agent maintains a continuous condition ledger that's audit-ready and insurer-friendly. When a storm hits, you already have complete before-state evidence. The post-event inspection agent triggers within 48 hours, documenting new damage with side-by-side comparison to pre-event baseline. Your claim package is 90% complete before you even call the insurer. Let's quantify what claim readiness is worth. Average solar insurance claims range from 200,000 euros for localized events to 2 million euros plus for major weather damage across multi-site portfolios. Industry data shows claim-ready portfolios with complete documentation recover 85 to 95% of claimed value. Portfolios without systematic documentation recover 40 to 60%. On a 1 million euros claim, that's a 250,000 euros to 550,000 euros difference. Now factor in reduced claims processing time. Claim-ready portfolios settle 60 to 90 days faster because there's no evidence dispute phase. Faster settlement means faster remediation and faster return to full production. Tip 1. Schedule baseline inspections immediately after commissioning and every quarter thereafter. Don't wait for warranty disputes or insurance needs. Tip 2. Use AI-powered defect classification to maintain consistent severity standards across all inspection events. Human inspector variation creates gaps insurers exploit. Tip 3. Store all documentation in a structured data room separate from operational CADA systems. You need this accessible independently if systems are damaged. Tip 4. Run annual claim. Simulation exercises. Practice assembling a claim package from your documentation to identify gaps before you need it under pressure. Tip 5. Notify your insurer that you maintain continuous condition monitoring. Some carriers offer premium discounts for claim-ready portfolios. Claim readiness has value beyond insurance recovery. It also protects you in warranty disputes with OEMs and EPC contractors. If a module manufacturer denies your warranty claim, citing improper maintenance, you can produce quarterly thermal inspection records proving systematic care. It protects you in M&A diligence by demonstrating operational rigor and low hidden defect risk. And it protects you with investors by showing you're managing tail risk proactively. Claim Ready isn't just insurance strategy, it's operational excellence made visible. Want to assess how claim ready your portfolio actually is? Download our Portfolio Risk Readiness Report at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report. It includes the 5-layer claims evidence framework. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.